Welcome to Resonate, the music, mindset, and marketing podcast. I'm your host, Ross Ledbetter from Tryfan Music, where each week we help independent recording artists, singers, and bands record, release, and market their music so they can succeed in today's new music industry. And before we begin, if you'd like to learn the 6 steps to becoming successful in 2024, then download the free Recording Artist Toolkit. And this week we are discussing how to make it in the new music industry of 2024. So let's dive in. The new music industry is an ever evolving landscape, and 2024 is no exception. With the advent of new digital technologies, shifts in consumer behavior, and the ongoing pandemic recovery, the pathway to success in the music industry has transformed significantly. So, here's a comprehensive guide to navigating those waters and making your mark in the UK and US music scene this year. 1. Embrace digital platforms. In 2024, digital platforms continue to dominate the new music industry. As an artist, your first step should be to establish a strong digital presence. Streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music are essential, but don't overlook platforms like YouTube and SoundCloud, which can also help you to reach a broader audience. Make your music easily accessible and consider exclusive releases or special content for specific platforms in order to drive engagement. 2. Leverage social media strategically. Social media remains a powerful tool for musicians to build a following and to engage with your fans. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter offer opportunities to share behind the scenes content, announce new projects, and communicate directly with your audience. Use these platforms not just for promotion, but to create a genuine connection with your fans by sharing your journey and responding to their interactions. 3. Diversify your revenue streams. Gone are the days when record sales were the primary income source for musicians. In 2024, it's vital to diversify. Think about live shows, merchandise, licensing your music for TV, film, or advertisements, and even exploring new modes like virtual concerts and crowdfunding platforms for specific projects. Additionally, you might wish to consider teaching music or producing for other artists if that aligns with your skill set. 4. Focus on live performances. Despite the surge in digital consumption, live music continues to be a significant aspect of the industry. Festivals, tours, and one off gigs offer not just opportunities for revenue, but also a chance to grow your fan base. In the post pandemic era, there's a renewed appreciation for live events. But ensure that you are gig ready by honing your performance skills and having a professional setup. 5. Understand your audience. In 2024, understanding your audience is more crucial than ever. Use analytical tools that are built into these social media platforms and streaming services in order to gain insights into who your listeners are and what they like. Tailor your music and your marketing strategies to meet the tastes of your fan base will significantly increase your reach and engagement. 6. Collaborate with other artists. Collaboration is a powerful tool for growth. Working with other artists not only broadens your musical horizons, but also helps you to tap into their audience base, potentially winning over new fans. Collaborations can vary from featuring on recorded tracks, co producing, or even cross promotion of content on social media. 7. Invest in quality production. While the DIY ethos still holds some charm, professional quality production is key to standing out. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean spending lots of money on studio time. Simply investing in good quality home recording equipment and learning the basics of sound mixing can elevate your music significantly. Additionally, occasionally working with professional producers in studios will also bring a new dimension to your sound. 8. Stay informed and adapt. The new music industry is susceptible to rapid changes. What works today might not work tomorrow. Keep yourself informed about industry trends, technological advancements, and changes in consumer preferences. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow relevant music blogs, and participate in music forums and groups. 9. Protect your work. Understanding the legal aspects of the music industry is essential. Ensure your work is copyrighted and consider joining organisations like PRS for Music or the Musicians Union in the UK, which can offer support, networking opportunities, and legal advice. Also, look into getting your music trademarked and understanding the ins and outs of music licensing. 10. As always, stay resilient and patient. The most crucial aspect for making it in the new music industry in 2024 is to remain resilient. The road to success can be long and fraught with challenges. Stay patient, keep learning, and persistently work on your craft. Celebrate small victories and learn from the setbacks. The new music industry is a dynamic field, demanding not just talent but also strategic thinking, adaptability, and continuous engagement with both the art and the audience. By embracing these principles, you can carve a niche for yourself in the 2024 music scene. Whether you are an emerging artist or someone looking to reinvent yourself, the key is to stay active, engaged, and open to evolution. And remember, if you need help or advice on how to make it in the new music industry, and you think we're a good fit to work with you, then get in touch with us here at Tryfan Music and let's book in a free 15-minute discovery call. And of course, don't forget in the boxes below, you can download the Recording Artist Toolkit where you'll get the 6 steps to becoming successful in 2024. And if you're watching this on YouTube, remember, click that bell notification, hit the red subscribe button, and that way you will be the first to know when we upload the next music video. I hope you found this week's podcast helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. Thanks for listening.